Hey guys, welcome to the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review. In this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review, I will be walking you through my experience using this supplement. I've actually purchased and used Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic myself, and I'll show you the pros and cons and other important things you need to know about using this product. So Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is basically a mix of herbs in powder form, and it's available to you in the most convenient and easiest of ways that helps you lose weight and also assist in melting away your fat. Naturally sourced formula that is a substitute for synthesized treatments. And to know how Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic works, you need to know the role of C-reactive proteins and their functioning in your body. So CRP, C-reactive proteins, damages the arterial wall, and it is inflammatory, giving you a troubled gut. So the C-reactive protein also increases the risk of cardiac disease, and there is a close relationship between CRP and obesity as they are related to metabolic syndrome. So as per the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review, the primary function of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is to quit the functioning of C-reactive protein in your body, which helps reduce your belly fat. So they also work to suppress your hunger by making it easy. So it makes you feel full really easily, and this means that you have less appetite and you'll be eating lesser portions of food. As the thermogenesis process is activated in your body, they tend to work out. You tend to work out more. And that also increases the metabolic activities in your body as it flushes out the toxins, and it also works to elevate your mood. I made sure to research and do my homework before I bought this product because I was as skeptical as you might be. And the ingredients contained within it are completely natural, and no users have reported negative side effects, myself included, obviously. You have to make sure that you get the product from the official website, and I'll put the link in the description, so once you're done watching this review, you can just go to the link and make your payment securely. So to get Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, if you think that you should because of this review. The second thing I'd like to mention is that you are not required to starve yourself or drop your favourite foods. This is something very rare to find with most weight loss products, because 95% of the weight loss program require you to of the other programs require you to drop your favourite foods, but with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, the case is very different because I was able to eat whatever I wanted to without worrying about anything. And hundreds of thousands of users have trusted Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic because it is made from 100% herbal blended formula with no harmful chemicals. So basically, the pros are it enhances your metabolism, it is FDA approved, and there's a money back guarantee. So the metabolic activities of your body enhance after the timely consumption of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, which also increases the whole process of losing unwanted body fat. You can also have peace of mind while consuming Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for weight loss because it is clinically and FDA approved, as I just said, and it's safe for consumption. And there's also a money back guarantee, as I said, and it comes with a 60-day money back guarantee. And if you find no change in your overall body weight after consuming it for a couple of days, then you can easily claim your refund. However, there are some cons, which is mainly there are many fake websites that are selling discounted products to people like you and me, so we'll buy from them and enable them to scam us. But I have linked the official website to Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic in the description, so there's no need to worry. And, well, how long will it take you to see the results? So this depends on several factors, including your age and your metabolism and diet changes, and it varies from person to person, basically. But on average, we've come to find out that effective results start being really noticeable from 2 to 3 months of strict use, basically. It's come to our attention that a lot of people discontinue after a month or two without obvious result. This is strictly advised against, as the dietary supplement will usually take up to 3 months for your body to start reacting to the medicine more efficiently. So you have to do it for a little while, basically. You can only purchase Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic online, as the manufacturer does not supply its product to the physical store. And to conclude, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is wondrous, and It's indeed a remarkable organic product that will show your anticipated body as soon as you start the intake. All you need to do to get this product, to get this product, use it consistently and see how it works for you. I'd strongly advise you to go ahead and get Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic because it really works. And if you decide to use Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, make sure you use the official website to make the payment securely, which I've put directly in the description of this video. If you have any questions regarding Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, feel free to comment below and I'll answer them. But yeah, so just click the link in the description if you want to get it from the official